Starting your YouTube channel with a solid foundation is key to achieving long-term success. Proper initial setup isn't just about good first impressions, it's about establishing a base for sustainable growth and engagement. Meticulous planning ensures that every aspect of the channel aligns with your vision and goals, attracting the right audience from the start. Strategic setup involves understanding YouTube algorithms, utilizing SEO effectively, and setting realistic yet ambitious goals. This foresight not only enhances your channel's visibility but also optimizes viewer retention and interaction, critical metrics for any successful YouTube channel. Selecting the right name for your YouTube channel is pivotal as it sets the stage for everything that follows. A catchy and relevant name not only grabs attention but also makes a memorable impression on potential viewers. It's crucial that the name is easy to spell, ensuring it is searchable and shared without errors. More importantly, the name should reflect the channel's content, giving new viewers immediate insight into the type of videos you produce. This coherence between the channel name and its content helps in building a consistent brand identity, which is essential in cultivating a loyal audience base. Consistent and professional branding is critical in distinguishing your YouTube channel in a competitive space. A compelling logo serves as the face of your channel, making it instantly recognizable. Selecting the right color scheme also plays a significant role. It should evoke the emotions and messages you wish to communicate through your channel. Additionally, an attractive channel banner that aligns with your brand identity ties all visual elements together, providing a cohesive look. These branding elements are not just decorative, they convey your channel's core values and promise to the audience, enhancing trust and viewer retention. An effective channel description is your opportunity to communicate the essence of your channel to potential subscribers, incorporating relevant keywords to boost your SEO and enhance discoverability. Beyond the description, adjusting your channel settings is equally important. Privacy settings should be configured to reflect how publicly you want your content shared. Setting up monetization is crucial if you aim to earn revenue from your videos. Additionally, customizing your channel's URL not only makes it easier for viewers to remember and find your channel but also strengthens your brand identity. Launching your YouTube channel starts with a strategic plan for your first video and a well-organized content calendar. Quality in content production cannot be compromised as it establishes your reputation and retains viewer interest. Consistency in uploading schedules helps build audience habits and expectations, sustaining engagement over time. Moreover, diversifying your video topics attracts a broader audience, while still catering to specific interests. A thoughtful blend of relevance, creativity, and scheduling in your content strategy not only captivates but also broadens your viewer base, setting a solid foundation for growth.